eat Zinger chicken? Well, this is how. So my mom already did the steps of marinating it. And so first you need to get some chicken over here. You put it here and over here. And you mix it into a egg mixture. You just put it down.
Then get another
Then
one.
after this, you mix it into some flour. And then now that you mix it into the flour, you have to coat it really well, otherwise it's not gonna work. So coat it really, really good on all sides. Now let's take it off a little bit. Now you have to
Let's get messy.
put it back in.
Oh,
Now that you did this,
Oh, what do I do?
you have to get some crushed cornflakes. Now that you have mixed it very well,
Time
This
to
is
get
what it looks
messy.
inside.
Wow, look at my hand. Look at my hand.
Look at this, guys. And this beauty is gonna go in the frying pan. Now this beauty is almost ready.
Extra crispy.
After the chicken is fried and ready, we can start assembling our burger. This lettuce and cucumbers has been dipped in chilled water so it stays crunchy for longer. A little swirl of ketchup if you want.
And 1 squirt of milk.
Oh, there. Got it spreaded. Now that you did the slice of cheese, put this crispy fried chicken and some lettuce. Oh wait, that's and finish it off with the other one. That's how we make the burger.
And push it.
Look at this giant. Look at it closely. This looks beautiful. This is my dinner for tonight. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye!